Hello, welcome to Mr. Rao's Teaching Math 11.2 today. Today we're dealing with degrees, okay? What is a degree? Degree is something, not something you go to college to get, wrong type of degree. This type of degrees is what you measure when you're measuring an angle, okay? And so if I think of this circle right there. If I was to start at this starting spot and go all the way around and get back to that starting spot, how many degrees is that? That is a big 360 degrees, okay? So if I look at this circle and I only go, here's the starting spot, and I only get to like right there, you're looking at a 1 out of 360 degrees. So you went 1% of that 360. Okay, or if I barely go a little further. So, but as we talked about last time we talked about turns. And if I went a 3/4 of a turn clockwise, what is a fourth of a turn? Well, if you think about it, because you have your clock here, and here's your 12, and here's your 3. If I was to make that an angle, yeah, you got a right angle. Right angles are? So a right equals 90 degrees. Awesome! So you got 90 degrees angles. Then if I was to go halfway from the starting down here, halfway to the circle, it would be halfway. What is halfway? Of half of 360 equals 180 degrees. So if I went half a turn, I go 180 degrees. Okay. Another popular one to know is if I go like from here to like here, not quite 90, but close, I'm looking at 60 degrees. Okay. So you got to be able to recognize these turns, and they're actually going to label them just like this and cut out a piece of that circle, and you just go 90 degrees. But the other thing that you need to know is, what is an acute triangle? It is any triangle that is not greater, less than 90 degrees, okay? It's less than. The other thing is obtuse is, if I have an obtuse, it is larger than 90 degrees, and a right, so here's a right, and we can put a little square in there, it is exactly 90. That's what you got to know as well. So, as long as you understand those basic concepts, you should be good. So that is what today's lesson is about. Join me next time as I teach you 11.3. Have a nice night.